Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. LEXUS LS460 2011. This car, everything is good on it, but the problem is that the fog light stay on all the time. So we did all the diagnosis. If you take the fuse out of here, if you take one of the fuse here, this one or this one, the fog light will go off. Finally, after all the diagnosis we spent tracing the wires, let's see. After tracing all the wires, we found that this is the fuse box, and under it lay the whole unit of this one, and this piece was no good. It has a computer built in. This one here, it has a computer built in and is activate the front fog light through these two wires. When we bought another one used, this is the one that is no good. We bought another one used from eBay, and also new is available. After we put it in, we are able to start the car and the fog light stay off. We finish it. One of the reasons that's why this one happened, because it looked like they jumped the battery, they jumped the car by putting the terminal wrong. So just this is an idea. Be careful when you need to start those cars. And thank you for watching. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Thank you.